Today I am going to demonstrate the use of LM35 temperature sensor using Arduino. So this is Arduino Uno. This is a breadboard. This is a LM35 temperature sensor. This is a resistor. This is a buzzer, and these are jumper wires. So this is the circuit diagram. The first pin of the sensor, which is the input voltage, is getting 5 volt from Arduino. The middle pin, which is the output voltage, is connected to the A0 analog input pin of Arduino, and the third pin, which is the ground, is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. So here I made the circuit as per the circuit diagram. The orange wire takes 5 volt input from Arduino to the sensor. Grey wire takes the analog input from the sensor to the Arduino, and black wire is the ground. This analog input wire takes the voltage value from the sensor and sends it to the Arduino. This is the Arduino code to display the temperature sensor value on the serial monitor. Temp pin is the output voltage pin of sensor, which is connected to the analog input pin A0 of Arduino. Sensor value is the variable assigned to the value taken from the sensor. This value will range from 0 to 1023 because the analog to digital converter in Arduino is 10-bit long. This line of code initiates the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. Analog read function reads the value of the output voltage from the sensor and assigns this value to the sensor value variable. This sensor value variable is then printed on the serial monitor, which will range from 0 to 1023. Since the temperature sensor LM35 is capable of measuring the temperature from -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, -50 degrees Celsius will take a value 0 and 150 degrees Celsius will take a value 1023. Now we will check if the device Arduino that we have connected is properly selected here. Now we will upload the code to the Arduino. Uploading is now complete. Now we will open the serial monitor from here. Notice that we are receiving the value 66 and 67. So this is the room temperature currently. Now we will try to increase the temperature near the sensor using lighter and see the increase in the sensor value. Notice that the sensor value is increasing. Now I will take the lighter away. So the sensor value will now decrease. We can notice that the sensor value is now decreasing. Now I have modified this code in order to print the sensor value in terms of degrees Celsius. I have added a new variable called temp, which will take the temperature value. Using this formula, we can convert the sensor value to the temperature in degrees Celsius, and then we print that value. Let us once again check if the Arduino board is selected, and we upload the code. Loading is now complete. So let us check it on serial monitor. We can notice that now we are getting the temperature value in terms of degrees Celsius. I have now modified the circuit slightly and added a buzzer so that when the temperature is higher than 35 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will make sound. The negative terminal of buzzer is connected to the ground using a resistor in between, and the positive terminal of the buzzer is connected to the pin number 3 of Arduino. So I have connected the buzzer in the circuit. This brown wire connects the buzzer to the pin number 3 of Arduino, and this resistor is used to connect the ground of the buzzer to the Arduino ground. I have modified the code in order to include the buzzer in the circuit. The buzzer is connected at pin number 3 of Arduino. Since buzzer is an output device, we declare it as an output. If the temperature goes above 32 degrees Celsius, that is if it is greater than or equal to 32, we give a high value to the buzzer. Else, we give a low value to the buzzer. Using this, if the temperature of the temperature detected by the sensor goes beyond 32 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will make sound. Now let us make sure that the device is properly selected, and then let us upload the code. Let us open the serial monitor. Notice that the value of the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Now let us increase the temperature above 32 degrees Celsius, and notice the sound of the buzzer. When the temperature goes below 32 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will stop.